Computer science videos here today to show you guys in tutorial 9 how to add your date of birth to your account on Twitter using a computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, a Twitter account. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, click on Safari, and then go to Twitter. Make sure you are signed into the account, go to your profile, and then click on Edit Profile. And now we are ready to add the date of birth. So if I click on edit date of birth, this can only be changed a few times. Edit, yes. And then we are ready to insert the month, the day, and the year. So the month, once that has been done, that's done. The day, insert the day and then the year you were born. And then we can also change the visibility. Who sees this? You follow each other, the public, your followers, people who follow you, or you follow each other, only you for the moment, and the year, only you. Save. Yes, we will confirm that. That is the date of birth. However, now take the URL. Command C, open up a new web browser. If I go to Launchpad, Google Chrome, and then insert the URL, computer videos, as you can see, the date of birth is not visible on the account as it is private. Quit Google Chrome, quit Safari. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.